How are we doing on battery?
Fine.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and today we are going to play with the Sous Vide. Now, if you want a Sous Vide and you don't have one yet, hang around to the end of this video and I'll show you where you can check them out. In the meantime, we're gonna make chicken wings 2 ways. We're doing tangy buffalo wings and lemon garlic wings, each with their own dipping sauce. My family loves it when we do chicken wings like this because not only do they have great flavor, but they're really tender and moist. I like to do chicken wings this way because it's so easy, it's a real no-brainer. They go in the bag, it goes in the sous vide, and then you char them up. Easy peasy. So we've got 12 chicken wings here in a heavy-duty freezer Ziploc bag, and make sure it is a name brand. Generics, unfortunately, have a tendency to fall apart. For the tangy buffalo wings, sprinkle in 2 teaspoons sea salt, 12 ounces of your favorite hot sauce. I like Frank's hot sauce, but you can use whatever you like, and a ½ cup honey. Zip it up, and it goes into the sous vide at 140 degrees. Don't forget to let the air out. Okay, now we're gonna do the lemon garlic wings. 12 wings in a freezer Ziploc bag. Sprinkle in 2 teaspoons sea salt, juice 2 lemons, and put the whole lemons in there, rind and all. Next, take a head of garlic and get as much paper off as you can. Just cut it in half so all the cloves are exposed. Then toss all that in the bag, zip it, and dip it into the sous vide, taking the air out, and clip it to the side. Now you've got time to do whatever. Technically, these chicken wings are done in 45 minutes. They'll be fully cooked, ready to eat, ready to go on to the next step. However, you can also leave them in the sous vide for up to 6 hours, and they'll just get more tender and full of flavor, which is generally what I do. So we're gonna go ahead and take these bad boys out right now. And remember, when you take your meat out of the sous vide, they're gonna look a little sad. So you've got a choice. You can broil them in the oven, or you can put a little char on them with your grill. Either way, it gives them some color and a little extra flavor. Save the marinade in the bag because we're going to use that for our sauce. Melt 3 tablespoons butter in a saucepan and then add 2 tablespoons flour. Let that bubble and brown slightly, then whisk in your reserved buffalo sauce. Turn the heat up, whisking constantly until it thickens. For the lemon garlic sauce, same thing, but this time melt 6 tablespoons butter, then add 2 tablespoons flour and whisk in the sauce. After it starts to thicken, add a ½ cup heavy cream and some fresh ground pepper. And that's it. You can do these up to 5 days ahead of time. Just keep them in the fridge. And then when you're ready to grill them or broil them, just bring them out and have at it. If you do a little tailgating and you want to bring a little hibachi, bring these guys along and have at it. It'll be great. Oh man, I could seriously eat all of these. I don't know if I have a favorite. If you do, leave it in the comment section below. I'd love to know which one you like better. Also, if you're in the market for a sous vide, I've included a link below that'll take you over to Amazon. It will not cost you any extra if you get it through that link, but it will help out and support Lakeside Table. So, I really appreciate you coming by, and until next week, have fun in your kitchen, and I'll see you then. Bye guys.